Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how you can change a flight right there in Expedia app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start our video. For that purpose, if you have booked a particular flight and would like to change because of a change of the plans or for some reason, what you can do is, first of all, let's go ahead, open our Expedia app. Once the app is open, it's basically gonna look like this over here, where you have booked a particular flight for yourself, right? For that purpose, in this trips option, where you can go and check your itinerary number and can check your schedule, basically check in, right? But if you like to change or cancel, there is no particular option for that, but there is a way you can do it. Go to the second option given below on right corner of your mobile phone. Go to this how can we help you option. I need help managing my booked trips. You can see this will open up these two options. So visit the online help center, which you will go right. Basically you will get an online help. Otherwise, you can see this call Expedia option, which will give you this particular number. You can see it's for United Kingdom, available for United Kingdom only. So you can go ahead, make a call right there, and can simply go ahead, ask the customer care service like, hey, I would like to change or cancel my flight. Please let me know what is the complete process for me to do. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.